So today is the full moon day of the ninth month of the lunar calendar. Since New Year's, now we are already on the ninth month. So we will have only 3 months to over the 1 year. Therefore, please remember the impermanence and finally the death. During the Aryatara Puja, everybody properly generate, cultivate the proper motivation, particularly the bodhicitta, all the way until the ending of the puja. Generally, all the pujas are very important to bring a lot of benefits for self, a lot of benefits for others. Particularly, the Tara prayers, recitations are very important, particularly during the degeneration time. Now, everybody have a very fear about the COVID-19, the pandemic. In order to free from this sickness, in order to free from the fears, and every day we must pray to Tara to recite the mantra. So today first we chant the verses for taking refuge, bodhicitta, the special bodhicitta, then the 4 immeasurables. After that, so we recite the 8 verses for the mind training. At the beginning, everybody must think, I'm going to do this recitation in order to free all sentient beings from suffering, in order to reach all sentient beings to the enlightened state. Therefore, first, taking refuge, page number 2. Dadan rowa namge dadan nyam senje danje dindine zonde jese janju nyingbo la chi ye bar wale alama damba nang la kya zoje zobe sanye jomden de nang la kya zoje tambe che nang la kya zoje I.N. all sentient being as was as space, from now until we reach the essence of the supreme enlightenment, go for refuge to the glorious secret gurus, go for refuge to the perfect Buddha, the blessed one, go for refuge to the secret Dharma, go for refuge in the exalted Sangha. Please take refuge to the Triple Gem from the depth of your heart until we become a Buddha. Next, refuge and bodhicitta. Sanye chudan zo ye chonang la chanchu bardo dane kya zo chi dai ge jen zo ye be zo nang ye do lai pen je san ye do bar sho. I go for refuge until I attend to the Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha. By positive potential I get by practicing generosity and other far-reaching attitudes, may I attain Buddhahood in order to benefit all sentient beings. Please cultivate bodhicitta based on taking refuge. Page number 4, special bodhicitta. Kyevara masenje tanje gedon nyurwa nyurwa yanda bara sobe sanye gego bo che jine yanda bara ja te je do je zuma pa ma drum na jo nyam so la wara ye o. Especially in order to benefit all my mother sentient beings, quickly and more swiftly, I must achieve the precious state of perfect and complete Buddhahood. Therefore, I'm going to undertake the yoga of Venerable Aryatara. Simply, we just think, I want to be Buddha very quickly, very swiftly, in order to benefit all sentient beings. Therefore, today I will practice the Thara Sadhana. Next, the 4 immeasurables, page number 5. Senjen danje de wa dan de we gyo dan den bara yu. Senjen danje du me dan du me ye gyo dan tra bara yu. Senjen danje du me be de wa me da wara gyo je. Senjen danje nye ren cha nye dan tra we dan nyong la ne wara gyo. May all sentient beings have happiness and the cause of happiness. May all sentient beings be free from suffering and the cause of suffering. May all sentient beings never be separated from happiness that is free from suffering. May all sentient beings abide in equanimity, free from desire from friends and hatred from enemies. Please cultivate the 4 immeasurables. At the beginning, so we have taken refuge to the Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Based on taking refuge, then we has generated bodhicitta, special bodhicitta, based on the 4 immeasurables. So when we cultivate the 4 immeasurables, for us, all sentient beings equally, dear to us. We don't have someone as our enemy, someone is more closer to us. For us, all sentient beings are equal to be happy, equal to be free from suffering. Next, so we're going to recite the 8 verses for the training the mind. I hope many of you already memorize the verses. First, generating bodhicitta. With the determination to achieve the highest aim for the benefit of all sentient beings, which is surpasses even the fulfilled gems, may I hold them dear at all times. Since today, we will hold all sentient beings are dear at all time, particularly your enemy. Reducing ego, sincerely generating love and compassion towards other. Stanza number 2, whenever I interact with someone, may I view myself as the lowest among all, and from the very depth of my heart, respectfully hold others as superior. Since today, we always think ourselves, I am the lowest among all sentient beings. We should not have any sense of ego, sense of pride. And respectfully, we hold others are more precious, superior than ourselves. Number 3, reflect on our daily, like mind. Number 3, in all my deeds, may I probe into my mind. And as soon as mental and emotional affliction arise, as they endanger myself and others, may I strongly confront them and avoid them. In our daily life, it is most important to probe our mind. So when we analyze about our mind, then definitely we can aware. So I have the negative thoughts, attachment, anger, hatred, ego, pride, jealousy. When we realize any of the negative thoughts already going to arise, have been arising for quite a long time, immediately we need to control. So there's a two antidotes. One is the immediate to reduce. Second is the get rid of from the root all the negative thoughts. Particularly when we do Dharma practice, make sure our Dharma practice must be very pure. Number 4, when I see beings of unpleasant character and those oppressed by strong negativity and suffering, may I hold them dear, for they are rare to find, as if I have discovered as jewel treasures. So when we see very unpleasant character person, very annoying person, we should not, generate sense of hating, anger. Instead of generating anger and hatred, we must generate love and compassion. So this kind of people is very rare to find to practice the Dharma. Therefore, we should not think, I don't want to see unpleasant people. I don't want to meet, annoying person. As a Dharma practitioner, those people are like a treasure for practicing Dharma. Number 5, when other, out of jealousy, treat me wrongly with abuse, slander, scorn, may I take upon myself the defeat and offer to other the victory. So this is mainly practicing for giving and taking. When someone whom I have or whom I have placed great hopes mistreat me extremely hurtful ways, may I regard them still as my precious teacher. In brief, may I offer benefit and joy to all my mother, both directly and indirectly. May I quickly take upon myself all hurts and pain of my mothers. It's a very particular practice for giving and taking. Number 8, may all this remain undearfilled by the sting of the 8 Menden's conscience, and may I, recognizing all things as illusion, devoted from the clinging, be released from the bondage. At one very particular practice of ultimate bodhicitta. So this practice at the beginning, the conventional bodhicitta, and between all the practice for reducing ego, reducing pride, particularly cultivating love and compassion towards all sentient beings, particularly the uncreated, person. So this is, I think, very important our daily practice. Next, blessing of the inner offering. So in front of me, I have the Kapala with the nectar pills. So I bless the inner offering. If you have the inner offering, you can imagine the container is a big skull cup. The outer color is white, inner is red. In the Kapala, you visualize the 10 substance. All the 10 substance melt into light, transform into nectar. Before we bless, first we need to visualize ourselves as a Aryatara within the emptiness. Rani ge je je ma pa ma me ko jamba yu om banzara ameda gunda le hana be om somba wa shudo sawadam somba wa shudo han dom ba ni do yu Tombe ngale yamle lo ramle me ali ishe ye kabala yangshin gya chewe nam shanga duse ma juwa le juwe ishe ye duse gya zo chenbor gyoro om ahum om ahum om ahum. In front of you, please visualize the huge Kapala filled with the nectar blessed by Om Ahum. This is the blessing of inner offering. Second, the blessing, the outer offering. I think page number, blessing of outer 8. So today we have a lot of flowers, a lot of lights, also a lot of fruits we set up here. Also, if you set up simple offering, you can imagine all the offering, melt into light, transform into different aspect of offering. That means all the offering actually manifests, arises within the emptiness. Then all the manifestation manifests into different aspect and blessed by Om Ahum. Om Bandara Amida Gundali Hana Hana Om Ansumbawa Shudu Sawadama Sumbawa Shudu Ham Tombo Nido Juro Tombe Angale Kangle Jun Tube Nunam Nado Wonle Chuzen Aranjin Toni Namba Chuzu Susu Namba Jen Chele Wambo Drugi Juyo Do Saba Meb Dewa Kebar Jen Kebar Yo Arkam Paide Bibe Dube Aloge Gende Nivede Shada So we fully prepared. At the beginning, we has taken refuge to Bhattapal Jam. Then we cultivated bodhicitta, special bodhicitta, based on the 4 immeasurables. Then we recite the 8 verses for the mind training, bless the inner offering, bless the outer offering. Now we are very prepared. We are ready to making offering to the triple gems, particularly Aryathara. So in order to offer all the offerings, we need to remember the field of merit, or we need to visualize. So when you prepare all the food, the second, usually we invite the guests for the food. It's the same way. Now visualize. Visualization of the field of the merit, page number 10. In English, in the space before me, on a lion throne, lotus and moon disk, sits Kadravadini Thara, who is inseparable from my root Lama. Above her are Venerable Atisha and the other lineage lamas, lineage gurus. And she is surrounded by the 21 Taras and so forth, the Idam, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, hearer, self-realizer, and other and oath-born protectors. Please visualize the field of merit followed by those verses. You can visualize in the space there are 4 lines. The 4 lines hold the beautiful throne. On the throne, you visualize the moon, lotus and moon sits. On the lotus and moon sits, visualize the Karavadini Thara. Above her, visualize Venerable Atisha with all the lineages guru. Below her, visualize the 21 Taras, Idams, Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, hearer and self-realizer, Dagaginis, and all the Dharma protectors. Please make sure you clearly visualize the field of merit. Next, do the prostration by body, speech, and mind. Page number 11, I chant in Tibetan, you can follow English. Sangye Tamje Go Doje Zemyangun Wanjo Tungye Sawa De Lama Namla Gombo Tuje Chendemba Tamje Gembe Dumba Kana Yunben Zuje Dijen Shela Chaza Taben De Cha Chawan Jun Gebe Chido Dendan Chugyuruba, Jingyuru Chula Chaza, Trane Truvia Layan Den Laba Chala Jingi Damba Yundende, Gindin Layan Chaze Lo. Once more, prostrate to the Guru, Buddhas, Dharma, and Sangha. All the field of merit we must include into triple gem, like a Guru, Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. That means whenever Ayatara, all the lineage gurus, then 21 Tharas, we include into all the Idams, Buddha are included into Guru and Buddha. Then Dharma, the Dharma protector, hearer, celebralizer, all Bodhisattvas include into Sangha. Therefore, once more do prostration to the triple gem. Next, I think 17 prayers or offering. Please offer all the offering. We already bless. Oma Sawada Gada Aragam Pipedu Pe Alogi Gande Nivede Shada Oma Sawada Gada Sabari Wari Om Ahu. Please offer all the offerings one by one to the field of merit. First, offering water. Second, offering water, flower, incense, light, the perfume water, fruits, sound, and all the inner offering offered to the field of merit. Next, the seven limb prayers or seven limb practices. Among the seven, so we need to focus on purification or confession. In our this lifetime, in previous life, so we have accumulated a lot of negative karmas. Due to the power of negative karma, we are facing a lot of difficulties and a lot of problems. Therefore, it is extremely important need to purify all the negative karma. Therefore, please openly confess all the negative karma in front of the field of merit. Next, the mandala offering. Page number 19. So before we offer the mandala, first we need to visualize the mandala. You can imagine in your hand, there's the beautiful mandala, which is manifestation of your daily dissertation, chanting, practices, all the virtuous actions, include our body, speech, and mind, are manifest into mandala. This mandala we offer to the field of merit in order to accumulate merit for becoming Buddha to benefit all sentient beings. Therefore, please imagine the beautiful mandala in your hand, the mandala you offer to the fellow merit. Sajabhage Chojamedoro Reroilinji Yende Gemboindi Sangye Mende ambuaye drogunanda jeloijo. Second, we offer the mandala to the fellow merit in order to live long life, all the spiritual masters and gurus and lamas. Dengyanangar sendebedede Jesu lama gembe enzongaje Laloidebe Sunoijinjodo Emboyeje Kelyarajozo Soyedang Gurore Namendal Koneyandeyaymi. Next, refuge and bodhicitta. By power of all the merit we just had accumulated, so now we generate another bodhicitta. Sangye jedang soye chonang la chanchu pardu dani gyausu chi. I go for refuge until Latin to the Buddha, the Dharma, and Sangha. Cultivating bodhicitta. By the positive potential I get by practicing generosity and other far-reaching attitudes, may I attain Buddhahood in order to benefit all sentient beings. Please cultivate bodhicitta. Within the generating bodhicitta, page number 22, pray for success of one wishes. So we have so many wishes to achieve so many things. For man, wishing to achieve is achieving Buddhahood. In order to achieve Buddhahood, we need to practice the Dharma. The second wishing is wishing to realize the Dharma, wishing to practice the Dharma properly. So in order to practice, in order to realize Dharma, we need to go through many lifetimes. So in order to go through many lifetimes, so the third wishing for born again as a perfect human being with all the necessary resources. This is, I think, everybody has a same vision. Next, this day, everybody very worry, has a lot of worries about the pandemic. Also, we wish, all human beings free from, sickness and disease, particularly the COVID-19. And also this day, many people has a very worrying about future. What happened if I lost job? What happened if I, finish my saving? So people has a lot of different kinds of worries, different kinds of wishing. Here, please you remember all your wishes and wish to achieve all your wishing in front of the field of merit. Lezo Gunje Jone Geveshe Sandan Jurwa Tsujin Gundane Yawan Gebe Alam Ge Gujane Lame Janju Tobaranze Do So. May I be blessed to follow with the devotion and throughout an action a spiritual friend who is the source of all accumulation of goodness, and by accommodating my mind with the path placing to the victorious ones, may I attain peerless enlightenment. Next, bridge to the Aryatara. So since until end of the dissertation, you mainly visualize the Thara in the center of the field of merit. In the center, we can see the Aryatara. Above the Aryatara, we can see all the lineage gurus. Then around her, we can see the other 21 Tharas. Below all the Tharas, we can see Idams. That means Guru and Idams. Below the Idams, all the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, hearer, slave realizer, all the Dharma protectors. Now we just visualize the Thara, the center of the field of merit. All the prostration, offering, we mainly focus on the Thara. Now, praise to the Thara. By bowing the crown of gods and demigods down to your lotus feet, you rescue from all types of poverty. Great Mother Thara, I prostrate to you. Please do prostration to the Aryatara. Offering. All the offering we mainly offer to the Aryatara. Oma Aryatara Sabare Vare Arga Paeda Vipe Dobe Aloke Gende Nevedi Shada Soha. Please offer the inner offering. Oma Aryadare Sabare Vari Om Ahum. The 7 limb prayers. I prostrate to the Venerable Thara. I present cloth of every type of offering, actual and imagined. I confess all my negative action accumulated since beginningless time, and I rejoice in the merit of all holy and ordinary beings. Please remain until the end of the second existence and turn the wheel of Dharma for living beings. I dedicate my own merit and those of all other to the great enlightenment. Next, mandala offering, page number 29, do the short mandala. Also, please visualize the mandala in your hands. The mandala in your hands is the manifestation of all your daily study, practice, positive action, your body, speech, and mind. All your belongings are manifest into mandala. This mandala we offer to the Aryatara. Sajibye Choshen Medo Re Ra Lin Ji Nyen De Yenpa Sangye Jendo Medem Bulwaye Drogo Nanda Jin La Jubajo. Next, supplication. So we supplicate the mandal offering, the long life, all the lineage guru, flourish the Buddha teaching into 10 directions, benefit all sentient beings. Jezun la me go zera denjin, nanga tin le cho juro ye bada, lo zan den ben me sa sun ye, do ve mun se da do ge yo je, edang guru re na mendal, kani ya de ya mi. Please take refuge in front of the Thara. Generate bodhicitta in front of the Thara. Sangye che dan so ye cho na la, chang jo ba do da ne gyao so je, ba ge jin so ye be cho na ye, do la pen je sang ye ru ba jo. Page number 32, request to free from fears. The right hand, previously in Genting sublime realization, now change into refuge, Genting posture. Myself and all who needs protection come under the posture and get free from the burden of all types of fear of samsara. Please make a request to the Aryatara, free from all kinds of fears. Within the request, please recite the Thara mantra. Om Dare Dudare Dure So, 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 Om Dare Dudare Dure Soha, Om Dare Dudare Dure Soha, Om Dare Dudare Dure, Om Dare Dudare Dure Soha, Om Dare Dudare Dure Soha, Om Dare Dudare Dure Soha. Please make sure you are reciting the mantra. Also make sure you continuously, clearly, vividly visualize the fellow merit, particularly the Thara. Om dare dure so, 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 Om dare dure so. Page number 45. Page number 45. Request to free from hindrances. Again, different people has a different types of hindrance. So please, you can reflect, you can recall what kind of hindrance you have. And purely, strongly request to the Thara free from the hindrance for achieving your achievement. Treasure of compassion, Venerable Arya, please pacify all hindrances of every transmigrator, enable them to reach immediately the city of everlasting happiness and increase all their necessary condition without exception. Tuje de jambama jizuma kanyan dola dende tungirdu de la ndebe parache kunjije tuje malu pelwara jingilo. So these prayers actually include many prayers. The first line is explain the nature of the Aryatara, treasure of compassion. Right? Then second is please pacify all hindrances of every transmigrator. Mean there's a different kinds of hindrances. Sometimes we can see so many things we cannot see. Hindrances for not understanding Dharma, hindrances for not able to practice Dharma, hindrances for your healthy life. So remember all the hindrances. He's talking about the obstacle. Then the third line, enable them to reach immediately the city of everlasting happiness. Means he's talking about the, like Buddhahood, complete liberation, Buddhahood. Then, in order to achieve Buddhahood, increase all their necessary condition without exception. So, wish to achieve all the necessary condition, free from all types of hindrance, wish to achieve Buddhahood through rely on the Aryatara. These are very condensed prayers. Next, again, please, prostrate to the Thara. Holy gods and non-holy gods, bow their crown to your lotus feet. You who rescue from all poverty, Mother Thara, to you I prostrate. Please offer all the offering. Oma Arya Dare Sabare Vare Argam. Paida Pushpe Dope Aloki Gande Nivedi Shada Oma Arya Dare Sabare Vare Ahum. 7 limb practices mainly confess the negative karma we have accumulated since beginning last time. Offer the mandala. Take refuge to the Tripal Gem and generate bodhicitta. Page number 55. Request to free from fears. Please, may I and all that need protection be covered by right hand, which was previously in the posture of gaining sublime realization and now transformed into the mudra of gaining refuge, and be free from the burden of all fear of samsara. Simply you can imagine you are just under the Thara hand, and imagine all kinds of fear are disappear, all kinds of problems are disappeared. Within the requesting free from fear, recite the Thara mantra. Om dare dudare dure so, 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 Om dare dudare dure so. Om dare dudare dure so, Om dare dudare dure so, Om dare dudare dure so, Om dare dudare dure, Om dare dudare dure so, 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 Om dare dudare dure so. Please turn on page number 85. No, not 85, I think, sorry. 91, page number 91, benefit of recitation. Please read all the verses, try to understand, what kind of benefit we have if we recite Tara Mantra, if we pray to Tara, if we supplicate to Tara. So when we read the benefit of recitation, look like, this very difficult to believe we can have all the benefits. You have all the benefit or not. You can get all the benefit or not. It depends on you. If you have a very solid, strong devotion to the Triple Gem, generated bodhicitta, particularly have a very strong devotion to Tara, then definitely you can get all the benefits. If you don't have you are not sure about Tara, you don't have a very strong, pure devotion to Tara, then you cannot get much benefit. Therefore, one time, His Holiness said, how much you can benefit from me is up to you. If you have a kind of half devotion, you can get half benefit. If you have a full devotion, you can get the full benefits. Therefore, when we recite the mantra, when we do chanting, we must have a very strong, pure devotion to the deity, to the Buddha. When we recite the Medicine Buddha mantra, we need to generate very strong devotion to Medicine Buddhas. They recite the mantra. So when we recite the Shakyamuni mantra, also we need to visualize Shakyamuni Buddha, need to generate very strong, pure devotion to the Buddha Shakyamuni and recite the mantra. Therefore, all the mantra recitation we must done based on the strong and pure devotion. Therefore, definitely we can get all the benefit if we recite the mantra with a pure, strong devotion to the Tara. And there are so many, real story behind recitation Tara mantra. Okay, next page number 92. Blessing the Torma. It's kind of appreciation offering. Page number 92. Om Bazar Ameda Gundali Ana Om Asumba Shudo Savadrama Sumba Shudo Omba Nido Giro Dombe Ale Yamle Ramle Me Ale Ishege Kabala Yanshin Gyachevenam Shana Dusenga Juale Ju Ishege Duze Gyazo Chemborgyu Om Ahum Om Ahum, Om Ahum, Om Ahum. Now you can visualize in your hand, you are holding a huge Kabbalah filled with a Torma. Actually, it is nectar, but it's a bit solid. you got Torma. The Torma, the nectar, now you offer the Thara. Page number 94. Jesu lama Jesu mala sonam Jesu do Jesu je pugedan solwar yo om arya dare sabare war idam balinda kaga kaye om arya dare sabare war idam balinda kaga kaye om arya dare sabare war idam balinda kaga kaye om arya dare sabare war Argam Baidan Bube Dube Alogen Gendenive Shagada Gidanzo Oma Aryadare Sabari Ware Om. Please to the Thara. Worldly gods and non-worldly gods, bow their crown to your lotus feet, you who rescue from all poverty. Mother Thara, to you I posted. Page number 96, pray for success. Whenever Arya Thara and your routine, with your non-objectification, compassion and love, please pay attention to me. Please empower me to achieve without hindrances the aims I have requested. Next, the 100-syllable mantra, page number 100. Om Bema Sadho Samaya Manu Palaya Bema Sadho Dinoba Trisha Tido Membao Sudo Kayo Membao Subo Kyo Membao Anurado Membao Sawaside Mitriyaza Sawagama Suzame Chidam Shiri Guru Ha Om Bhagavan Sawadadanga Bema Mamibunza Bema Bawa Mahasamaya Sado Ahom Pe. Next, request for patience. Manye Yoso Machidan Kanya Nuba Machib Dine Jawa Kanyeba Digun Kyoye Sunze Labadani Chebadan Choge Yela Nyamba Dage Shenge Jigib Deyanze Paranze Doso. Whatever I have done incorrectly due to not incurring the proper materials, not fully understanding of lack of ability, please be patient with all these mistakes. May I addition and omniscience, part of the ritual that went wrong, and whatever I forgot, please be patient with this. Now request the deity to remind. So as usual, I mentioned many times. So I'm in a Tibetan Buddhist center. We have a lot of Buddha statue. We have quite big size of the Thara. So for me, I visualize, the Thara dissolve into the Thara statue. If you have a Thara statue, picture, Thanga painting of Thara, you can visualize the Thara, actual Thara, dissolve to the Thanga, to the picture, to the statue. You don't have any symbol, you can imagine the Thara dissolve into you, and it goes all the way to your heart, and always remain with you in your heart. Okay? First, make sure you visualize the fellow merit. First, all the Dharma protectors, Jagadiginis, hearers, slave realizer are dissolved into Bodhisattvas. All the Bodhisattvas, Buddhas are dissolved into the 21 Taras and Idams. All the 21 Taras, Idams, and the Gurus are dissolved into Adisha. Now, on the throne, we can see only the Aryatara. Above Aryatara, we can see the Venerable Adisha. The 4 lines dissolve into the throne, into the lotus and the moon disk. The lotus and moon disk dissolve into Aryatara. The Adisha also dissolve into Thara. Now, in front of us in the space, we can see only Aryatara. Now we request Tara to dissolve into the statue, picture, painting, and you. Together with the imagine here, remind for the sentient being's sake, and please bestow health and long life, reach the highest thing. Omo Suba Deda Benzara Yeso. Dedication. Due to this merit, may I soon attain the enlightened state of Aryatara, that I may be able to liberate all sentient beings from their suffering. Again, thank you so much for attending the puja. Last, we do the dedication. On the last month, 17, so we offered 113 the orchid flowers. So we offer a lot of candlelight, oil lamps. The flower is still we have. And today particularly we offer a lot of lights, fruits, oil lamp. Also we have a few people who request to offer the light. For the dedication, first all the merit we have accumulated today, all the merit we have accumulated since beginning this time, all merit together, first we dedicate for ourselves becoming Buddha to benefit all sentient beings. Second, in order to achieve Buddhahood, we need to practice the 5 paths, include bodhicitta, emptiness. Therefore, in order to practice the 5 paths in bodhicitta, we need to know how to practice. We need to study Dharma. Therefore, second, we dedicate all the merit for realizing the Dharma to able to practice the Dharma to cause to achieve Buddhahood. Next, we dedicate all the merits we have accumulated since beginning last time, particularly today. All the merit we dedicate to benefit all sentient beings, particularly the people, the family who make a contribution for the offering. Also, we have a few people who always, we have a few people who are sick, who always, who support always Tibetan Buddhist Center. Also, we dedicate the merit to benefit for them. And also recently, I think 2 people pass away who usually, make a contribution for lot offering. Also, we dedicate the merit to benefit those people who pass away, those people who, very soon going to pass away. Jamba Bave Jedara Gemba Gundo zambo de yang de jin de, de da gun je je su da lo je, ge wan de da tang je ra do mo. Du sum she be ya wa tam je ge, ngo wa gan la cho do nga ba de. Da ge ge we za wan de gun yang, zambo je je ra do ngo wa ye. Thank you so much for attending the puja. And also, now I know people, everybody very worried about the COVID-19. So every day you do proper recitation, chanting, you wear mask, and you follow the regulations, then no need to worry too much. Should not be too agitated. Should not be very worried. You just be relaxed, do the proper recitation, chanting, and follow the simple regulations. Then you are free from the COVID. Let everybody feel be relaxed. You should not think so difficult. I have a lot of difficulties. Therefore, it is so important to be relaxed. Thank you and good night.